Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Book 5, The Flower Bank World. Unspeakable hundreds of thousands of billions of trillions of walls, made of all jewels, surround all of them, adorning everywhere. Then, to reiterate, universally good, spiritually empowered by the Buddha, looked over the 10 directions and said, "On the land masses of these worlds are seas of fragrant water adorned by jewels. Pure, beautiful gems line the sea floors, resting on diamond, indestructible. Heaps of jewels of fragrant mines from the shores, orbs of sun-flame pearls are spread like clouds, garlands of lotuses and exquisite jewels adorn everywhere, pure, without taint. The fragrant waters are clear and contain all colors. Precious flowers swirl, radiating light. Sounds that cause all to quake are heard far and near, expounding the subtle truth by the Buddha's mystic powers. The arrays of stairways contain all jewels and are studded at intervals with pearls. The surrounding balustrades are all made of jewels, with nets of lotuses and pearls draped like clouds. Gemstone trees stand in rows. Flower buds blossom, their luster bright. Various music is always playing. Buddha's mystic power makes it so. White lotuses of various superb jewels are spread in arrays on the fragrant water seas. Rays of fragrant flames never cease. Their vast auras fill everywhere. Banners of bright pearls ever radiant, drapes of fine clothing ornamenting, nets of crystal bells intone the sound of truth, causing hearers to head for Buddha knowledge. Lotuses of jewels from castles adorned with multicolored gems, while clouds of pearls shade the four corners, thus adorning the seas of fragrant waters. Walls surround everything, with facing towers arrayed on them. Countless lights are always shining, variously adorning the pure, clear seas. Vairochana in ancient times beautified and purified various oceans of lands like this, vast, broad, without bounds. All is the Buddha's sovereign power.